Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about logging into your TikTok account if you've signed out. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So whether you are on iOS or Android, it does not matter. Just want to go ahead and open up the TikTok app, and then it'll likely take you to this page that says welcome back. However, if it doesn't, there'll be an option here regardless to say log in. Go ahead and select that option on this page. And then if your credentials are already saved, it should take you directly to your TikTok account. Otherwise, you may have to go ahead and retrieve your password and make sure that is typed in correctly. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.